Here we are again at Jason Sports Cards. I'm about to bust a box of 2008 SP Legendary Cuts Baseball. So let's get started. Alright, I think we're looking at 3 or 4 hits here. Oh, there's one right off the bat. Ichiro, Torii Hunter, Ryan Howard, Josh Beckett, and Manny Ramirez. Destined for history, gray jersey. Alright. David Wells, Yankee Stadium, Jeffrey Encore, Cole Hamels, Miguel Tejada, and filler. Manny Ramirez, Russell Martin, filler. Andrew Jones, Roger Clemens, all base. Alright, Brian McCann, Alex Rodriguez, filler, and Alec Halon, numbered to 550, and Derek Jeter. Alright, okay. Nomar Garciaparra, Tino Martinez, Delman Young, stuck to a Chipper Jones, and cool, Tony Oliva, I never know how to pronounce his last name. Anyways, Tony Oliva, bat number 225, not bad. Trevor Hoffman, Carlos Beltran, filler. Miguel Cabrera, Matt Holliday, all base. Halfway there. Tom Gleb and Bobby Abreu, filler. Roy Hellswald, Mike Piazza. All base again. Another one there. Alright, Jeff Francoeur, Gary Sheffield, Carlos Lee, Todd Helton. Oh, and a cut. Tell you what, we're going to hold the cut till last. I didn't see who it was, so we're going to wait till the end of the video before we take a look at it. Derek Jeter, Yankee Stadium Legacy, Frank Thomas, Carl Crawford, and my 14th Travis Pug Destination Stardom Memorabilia card, all white. 3 more packs, then we'll look at that cut. Alright, Dan Uggla, Joe Torre, Yankee Stadium Legacy, Grady Sizemore, oh my, Jeremy Bonderman, and my second, actually, Rogers Hornsby, Chase Utley. Generations Memorabilia Duel. Looks like a piece of a glove, some kind of a suede leather there, and at least got a pinstripe on it. Nice. Two more. Let's take a look. We've got Troy Tulowitzki, Kurt Schilling, more filler, Akinora Iwamura, John Lackey. Alright. Dontrelle Willis, Derek Jeter, Yankee Stadium Legacy, Fonta Soriano, and Alex Gordon. Alright, let's take a look at the cut. Todd Helton, and headliners and heroes. Oh, Pee Wee Reese, numbered 8 of 52. Check that out. One of my heroes used to play for the Dodgers back when Jackie Robinson played, I believe. I think he was one of the few guys on the team that was a good friend of old Jackie. That's an awesome hit. There it is, folks. Pulled at Jason Sports Cards in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Thanks for watching and good luck.